Welcome to Making Movement Matter. I'm Kristin Marvin. Sitting on the ground, which a lot of athletes do not do, but I highly recommend it. Right now I'm doing a little test, and I'm making sure I'm sitting on my ischial tuberosities, my sit bones. I can take my hand and touch just underneath the butt, and I feel a bone, make sure I'm sitting on it. Doing on the other side, touch that bone and just take my skin up off my butt, place it on the ground. Making sure my hamstrings are touching the ground and my thighs, front of the thighs, quads are nice and relaxed. Can you do this? This is a simple test that every single athlete ought to be able to do. If you cannot do this and also have your ribs nice and relaxed, then you're at a much higher risk of hamstring injury. This is a relaxed position that every human ought to be able to do. Why can't we do it, or most people? Because they hang out on couches, chairs, cars, watching movies, doing this, doing that, doing homework, doing work, what have you. Every single day, I recommend doing this in order to reduce your risk of injury. If you cannot do this, which a lot of athletes cannot do, I recommend starting on a chair, legs out, they are straight, making sure I'm sitting on my ischial tuberosities, my sit bones. Ribs down, nice and relaxed. Honestly, as simple as that. When you get good at that, make it a little bit lower each time. 2 blocks, 5 books. When you get comfortable here, go down a block. When you get comfortable here, go down to the floor. Whatever it takes to eventually get down to the floor. As I said before, if you cannot be on the floor in this wonderful pose, seated staff pose, it is an issue because you're not able to perform at your best. Your tissues, your hamstrings, which are 3 muscles, attaching at the ischial tuberosity. The biceps femoris also attaches a little bit on the femur. And then all 3 of them attach to the lower legs, right? So you have the tibia and fibula, and it depends on the muscle because of the 3 muscles. But here's the deal. This is one small little test you can do for yourself in order to get better at your sport. Whether it takes 1 month, 2 months to get down to this position, excellent, do it. A few minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day, the longer the better. Starting here, working your way down. And love the floor. Take care.